Hi, thanks for tuning in again. I'm gonna do a fridge and freezer wipe down and reorganization today. And I'll take you along, show you a before and after, and a little bit of the process as I go. right, I'm all done. Let's show you the finished product. All right, so starting in the freezer, this top shelf here, I usually keep my sweet desserts, like my Yasso bars. And then I also keep a few extra random ones that aren't quite so healthy. The top shelf here, I have this bin full of all my frozen fruits, some extra English muffins, and then it just doesn't fall without some Halloween Pillsbury cookies. So I keep them in the freezer and make like 1 or 2 at a time, seeing how I live by myself. That way I'm not eating them all. And then the second shelf here has a bin full of all of my frozen veggies, and then a few extra random like meal things like gnocchi, mini tacos, or some breadsticks in the back, and some extra French fries for sides. This is the part I was most excited about, was being able to separate my meats out and be able to see what I had. Living by myself, it's just easier to stock up on some meats for the winter. That way I have meat and it cuts down on my grocery costs. So I got some beef, and then I bought a chuck roast the other day, and I just cut it in half so I could have like a pot roast when I wanted it. And then this one here has like all of my individually wrapped chicken breasts and a bunch of turkey sausage that I got from Trader Joe's, different flavors to eat. And in this bottom drawer, I'm just gonna keep like the miscellaneous meats I don't eat as frequently. So I got some like extra Canadian bacon, regular bacon, some turkey meatballs, and then there is a frozen loaf of bread in the back that I can make when it gets colder. So it actually looks fuller now that it's organized. Okay, so for the fridge, I have up here butters, cream cheese, and some lemon juice. And then I got like my cold coffee brew stuff, milks, which I do have like lactose-free milk because I don't really like almond milk heated. And then I use the almond milk definitely in my like overnight oats. This shelf has my most commonly used condiments, pure maple syrup, some jelly, mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, barbecue, A1. This is more of my ethnic type foods, I guess you can call it. I have some like stir fry sauces, salsas, taco sauce, sour cream, and Parmesan cheese. And in this bottom one, I kind of keep mostly salad dressings, although I do have some buffalo sauce in here as well. And then I just move these mini champagne bottles down here because they always take up space on that top shelf, and I don't know why I didn't move them sooner. So this one here at the bottom just has some fruit and a few veggies, not a lot in there. This drawer, I tend to keep my meats and cheeses in. So I got like some turkey, some Canadian bacon for pizzas I'm making, black cheese, string cheese, and shredded cheese. This is normally my beverage shelf, I guess you can call it. However, I do have lettuce and tomato here right now that I'm using in wraps this week for lunch. There just wasn't enough room in my veggie drawer for the lettuce this week. And then this shelf is usually where I keep most of my prepped meals, things that I've already cut up or cooked, or sometimes they're even portioned out. And I use this bin here to keep like wraps, English muffins, sometimes loaves of bread. I just find it lasts longer when I keep it in the fridge. It doesn't mold so quickly because I don't go through it fast enough. And then this shelf here, I keep my butters, eggs, and tomatoes are usually kept here for me. The top shelf is usually kind of beverages as well, spare milk. I just got this spice cider from Trader Joe's, that's really good. My overnight oats, sometimes I do have yogurt in here or prep breakfasts. And in this, I just brew a pot of coffee at the beginning of the week, portion it into mason jars, and then I can have cold coffee in the afternoon after my lunch break. My fridge and freezer clean out. I hope you enjoyed watching how I organized, and I hope everybody has a blessed day. Thank you.